Maybe. Woodpecker's eating up the siding. Siding's pretty old. Of course, some of it's starlings. A lot of it is. I'm gonna put some new custom siding on it. Okay, ground level. We got this thing all sealed up, repaired, painted, all that good stuff. Everybody can see right in this area is where the hole was at. We got it all sealed up. Now this is still a very good temporary, but this siding is at the end of its life basically, and so it really does need to be replaced. So we're just trying to buy the customers a little bit longer so they can fit it into their budget. Everybody kind of see up there, it just all matches up and looks the same, just like the siding. So now we gotta come around to this side and we gotta fix that piece right there. And on top of that, we gotta work around those wires. So we gotta be very careful. So we'll get to it and let you see what it looks like when we're done. Alright, well, we got that piece all taken care of. We're now gathering all of our equipment and tools up, and we'll be packing up and heading to the next one. You can probably see it a little better now since the sun ain't directly on top of us. You can see the repairs we made. We come down 4 boards from the very top. That's our replacements. We got brand new flashers up again. That way keep these birds off of here as best as possible. So we're gonna call this one done. I'm gonna get out of here. Maybe ride around in an air-conditioned truck for a little bit because it's getting hot. So until next time, we'll talk to you later. Remember, God is good.